talk about them.
Stage 3 here, and of course our ultimate Stage 4 XL model.
We got a custom powder coated Stage 4 with brakes, upgraded neck. So you know, you guys have been watching the channel. 1,000 watt upgraded neck for the brake kit, right? So this is a hydraulic disc brake, adapts to the wheel, and it has brake. Seat up, 48 volt lithium ion battery, powering the 1,000 watt controller, LED kit, the new XL charge port adapter. So traditionally you would have to flip the seat forward to charge the cart. Now, you got this little fancy nipple, comes off, and you charge in their factory location like you would with the factory AGM 36 volts. So this cart was done full chassis in Seafoam green, and then this is polar white, which is an alternative we use for gloss white. Running a knobby tire, and this thing will do about 25 miles an hour with me on it. Oh yeah, let's check out the new merch, boys, girls, whoever. Got the drift cars on the back.
Watch out, one wheel peeling out here.
Baby.
That's why we call it one wheel peel, baby.
We got the Gator, Florida.
This is a special Stage 3 with our amazing prismatic powder, flaming gold here on the steering wheel and on the drift bar as a nice little accent. The chassis is done in the Gummi berry juice. This is Le Juice. And you can see the colors are just literally just chameleon style. Super cool, kind of this bronze to this purple copper color. Very unique, very cool setup. This is sporting our Stage 3 kit. This is our 36 volt ABS printed battery, our 500 watt motor upgrade, of course our knobby front tire, sporting our Mac Daddy big boy casters. Let's see how they shred.
Think that you can't ride an XL.
What?
Today we have a very special Stage 4 XL custom powder coat for our buddy Adam up in Canada. So now him and his son have a bunch of carts and they keep building them and they keep coming out sicker and sicker each time. So this is the Naoki Fade, but we said, listen, we've done a lot of Naoki Fades. We're trying to make a little bit different. Why don't we put this Sapphire Charmeleon clear over top of the Illusion colors? Now, Illusion colors from prismatic powders changes when you spray clear on it. That's what actually makes these colors come out with the hue and how the powder works. This one happens to have blue flake in the clear. So it's the Illusion pink, Illusion purple, and then this is a sapphire blue over chrome. All prismatic powder colors like we do normally. So obviously we love working with them and the exceptional quality of the powder that they make, making these carts really come to life. So it's a typical stage 4, you know, 1,000 watt, knobby front tire, 45 tooth lower gear, which is factory on all of the XLs that don't have casters in the front. So if you are a cart and you're gonna buy 1,000 watt or whatever, if it's got pegs in the front, you've already got the correct lower gear. Coming around, oh, give a little pop. These fresh carts are always tight. We accented it with a dark blue box, 48 volt taxi garage battery, the 1,000 watt controller, LED kit, and then obviously our wide wheels with the yellows. Again, the yellows don't really complement the color of the cart. However, it is the best compound that Orangutan makes for the yellows. We're gonna get to ripping this thing, and then we're gonna send it to Canada, to Adam. Well, that concludes this rip and ship build breakdown of Adam's car going to Canada. Naoki theme with an extra little bit of flair. Keep the orders coming, keep the comments, keep the likes, send it to your friends. We appreciate all the support. The YouTube is just flourishing. Casey behind the camera, editing, all that is just making a lot of really cool content, allowing us to show off these really cool carts. So we're gonna back this one up, ship it back to Canada, or up to Canada per se, and make another cool cart for one of you lucky guys. So appreciate you guys, thank you so much.